the sheer scale at which the organization operates also sort of helps you sort of understand what it would take to build large businesses. So I think that alone has been quite interesting, just interacting with different leaders across the group. Hi, I'm Rishabh Ladha and I'm the co-founder of SquadStack. We're a tech-first telecalling outsourcing platform, and we help large businesses streamline their call center processes for both sales and operations by better sales transformation, helping hire the right talent, improve efficiencies in their processes, and overall generate a much higher ROI and conversions and long-term value for their end customers. Typically, it's a very manual process. You have an agent, on top of that you have a team leader, you have a quality auditor, you have a trainer. So right from the hiring experience to the training, to the management of the agent, to the effectiveness of your campaigns and leads is all driven in our platform using technology and AI. Some of the conversations with senior leadership here, just the sessions we've been doing, have actually been quite thrilling because you get to sort of witness a very beautiful entrepreneurial journey of the team overall and how it's sort of so ingrained in the DNA, seeing things in a different lens, which actually really help sort of put things in perspective.